What's up, guys? My name is Rachel. Today I'm going to be giving you an honest review of 10x Marketing Crash Course by Grant Cardone. So, I actually make money in marketing. That's what I do full time, and I have been doing it for quite a couple of years, but I do it a little bit on the unique side. Like, I don't think it's very common. I don't hear a lot of people talking about it, and so I'll end up telling you what I do, but I'm gonna, of course, give you the review first. Obviously, Grant Cardone has done very well for himself, and there's no way that he's done that without some sort of marketing skill because he has to market himself, right? Like, there's some truth to that. But what I want you to remember is that Grant Cardone made his money in real estate, not with marketing. So even though I just think it's a weird shift personally. It kind of feels like a weird money grab to me, like to now be selling a course on marketing, even though like your whole thing is your real estate. Just feels a little weird to me. I'm not gonna lie. But it's not like hate to him. It's just that like I think he also has a course in real estate. Like I know that, but I don't know. So a lot of the things that he teaches in this course are it's like very multifaceted. It's like Facebook, email, Instagram, Google, like your own website. Like there's so much to learn, and it says crash course. It really feels like he's trying. Like I think he should. Not he. I think that if you want to get into marketing, you need to niche down first. And then once you master a skill, you can go on to the next thing. Once you master Facebook ads and you're seeing real results from that, move on to Google. Once you've mastered Google, you can move on to email marketing. Once you've mastered email marketing, and I think you should stack the skills only once you've learned and successfully learned the first one. Personally, that's just what I think. But I mean, you at the end of the day have to choose what's right for you. If you still want to get into marketing, I would suggest the thing that I have made money doing in the last couple of years. I've been making about $10,000 to $15,000 a month, very, very consistently over the last 5 years. So I'll give you a really quick example. Let's say I build a website for a junk removal company based out of Cincinnati. So I build this simple, easy peasy 1 to 5 page website with very generic branding on the front, and really simple SEO on the back end. It does not take a rocket scientist or even any coding to do SEO successfully. All you have to do is get yourself to rank on the first couple sections of Google or a different search engine. It's really not complicated. People have overcomplicated SEO for way too long, in my opinion. From there, I start getting, phone calls, emails coming in for people who need junk removed from their property. And I don't remove junk. Don't live in Cincinnati. So I call up an actual junk removal business in Cincinnati, Ohio. I offer them these leads that I have. I call them back a couple weeks later, and ultimately these leads have converted for them. And then I offer to rent out this website to them for $500 to $2,000 a month. It really just depends. And I do this over and over and over again. But once the website is built and once I have somebody signed on to rent out that website on a monthly basis, I don't have to do anything else. Like I have been sitting at the level of income that I'm at for quite a while without having to do like really any work at all, except teeny tiny bits of basic maintenance on certain things. But it's like less than an hour a week. So passive, like it's ridiculous. I get to spend time with my family now. I am financially free. Like there are so many pros to this business model. So if you're interested in getting in marketing, I would suggest niching down into this specific area. One, there's not a lot of competition. Not a lot of people talk about this. I think it's the best way to make money online personally, and I've tried a lot of things. So if it's something that you're interested in learning, check out the link in the description box below, or you can always just comment your questions below and I can see if I can answer any questions that you do have. Otherwise, best of luck to you guys, and I will see you in the next video.